So we're forced into, as David's saying, not just thinking that a large collection of particles behaves like a wave, which maybe not wouldn't be that surprising because water waves are made of H2O molecules, particles, and therefore they're kind of wavy. But each individual particle somehow has a wave-like quality, and historically people struggle to figure out what wave, what kind of wave, what is it made of, and what does it represent if you have a wave associated with a particle. A wave is spread out of particles at a point. And it was Max Born in the 1920s who came up with the strange idea of what these waves are. So, Birgitta, what are these waves telling us about?
Well, the waves are, what we see is the probability, which is in the square of the wave, or square modulus of the wave. But
so here's a wave behind you. So you said
yes.
Probability.
Yes.
In essence,
so this is an amplitude. This is an amplitude which will give us a probability. But if we take this amplitude and look anywhere here with some measuring device, we will find with some distinct probability, after measuring many times, we'll find that there's a definite probability of the particle being there, just as in the double slit. After sending many particles through, we found with a certain probability they would all appear on the left. Or all on the right.
So in some sense, vaguely, where the wave is big, there's a high likelihood you're going to find the particle. Where the wave is near zero, there's a very small probability that you're going to find the particle.
You can't guarantee it. So any one particle could be in a place where the wave is very, very small.
Now these are all just pictures. In the 1920s, physicists were able to make this precise. So Schrödinger wrote down an equation, and I think we can show you what the equation looks like. Obviously, you don't need to know the math to follow anything that we're talking about here. But, Gerard, you wanted to emphasize that there is math behind this because your experience has been that many people miss that point. So feel free to emphasize.
Absolutely.